In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customers' QuickBooks. We'll walk through how to remove a customer from your active lists in QuickBooks Online by making them inactive. This method keeps your books accurate while hiding customers you no longer work with, and it preserves their history for reporting and audit purposes. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company file. Once you're in, head to the customer area. Depending on your layout, you might see a top menu or a left-hand navigation panel. Look for the customers option and open it. If you land on a general overview, that's fine. Just click into customers again to get to the full customer list. With your customer list on screen, find the specific customer you want to remove from your active records. Click the customer's name to open their details page. In the upper right of this page, next to the edit button, there's a small drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to reveal additional actions for this customer. From the drop-down, choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this change with a prompt that typically says something like, "Are you sure you want to make it inactive?" This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removals. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Yes, Make Inactive. That's it. The customer is now inactive and will no longer appear in your active customer list or selection menus when creating new transactions. A few helpful notes as you do this. In QuickBooks Online, deleting a customer is effectively done by making them inactive. This approach ensures you don't lose historical transactions, which is important for accurate reports and compliance. If the customer has open invoices, unapplied credits, or other active transactions, QuickBooks may require you to resolve those first before you can inactivate them. Clearing or closing outstanding items ensures your financials remain clean and consistent. If you ever need to work with that customer again, you can bring them back without recreating their profile. Simply locate the customer in your inactive list and switch them back to active. Your historical data will still be there, ready to go. And if you collaborate with a team, make sure your user role has permission to manage customers so you can access these options. To recap, open QuickBooks Online, go to Customers, select the customer, open the drop-down next to Edit, choose Make Inactive, and confirm. Follow these steps anytime you need to tidy up your customer list while preserving the integrity of your books.